Imagine you are peering into the earth, looking at ancient stories written in layers. How can you tell if what you are seeing is an original page or if it has been jumbled up over time? At an excavation site, you identify original horizontality by observing whether sedimentary layers are deposited flat and parallel to the Earth's gravitational plane. This principle, known as the principle of original horizontality, suggests that most sedimentary layers are initially laid down horizontally. This fundamental idea exists because gravity plays a primary role in how sediments settle. Whether it is through water, wind, or volcanic ash, particles are deposited evenly across a surface, naturally forming flat or near horizontal beds. If you encounter layers that are tilted, folded, or broken, it indicates that some geological or human process occurred after their initial horizontal deposition, altering their original state. To practically identify this at your site, first, meticulously clean the exposed surfaces of your excavation units, creating clear profiles of the different layers, known as strata. Look for distinct color changes, texture variations, or different material compositions that define these layers. Next, observe their general orientation. Are they running parallel to each other and to the current ground surface, or is there a noticeable incline or curve? Pay close attention to any breaks or discontinuities. A layer that suddenly stops or is truncated might indicate erosion or a cut feature, such as a pit or a foundation trench. Use surveying equipment, like a level or a total station, to precisely measure the dip and strike of the layers. This will give you quantitative data on their exact orientation and help confirm if they deviate from a horizontal plane. Comparing these observations across your site helps build a three-dimensional picture of the depositional history. Understanding original horizontality is also key to recognizing what archaeologists call unconformities. An unconformity represents a break in the geological or archaeological record, often indicating periods of erosion or non-deposition. For instance, if you see horizontally laid layers abruptly overlain by another set of horizontal layers that are clearly different and separated by an erosional surface, that is an unconformity, telling you about a significant time gap. By carefully observing and documenting the horizontal nature of archaeological layers, you are essentially reading the undisturbed chapters of a site's history. Recognizing when these layers are no longer horizontal allows you to identify specific events or processes that occurred, helping you accurately reconstruct the timeline and human activities at your excavation.